Looking for speakers that blend seamlessly into your space while delivering powerful, clear sound? The Pyle 8-in-wall speaker system offers just that with its sleek flush mount design and impressive 250 watts peak power handling. Whether you want to upgrade your home theater or add subtle background music, these speakers promise reliable performance from 50 Hz to 20 kHz frequency response. What sets these speakers apart is their versatility and ease of installation. You can mount them either in the wall or ceiling, thanks to their flush mount design. The convenient speaker terminals make wiring quick and hassle-free, even for custom setups. Plus, the package includes a cutout template with precise dimensions, 9 3/8 diameter by 3.5 depth, to guide you every step of the way. No guesswork, no mess. Inside, the speakers feature a 1/2 polymer dome tweeter that directs sound clearly, paired with a 1 high-temperature voice coil to handle midbass frequencies with power and richness. The 4 to 8 ohm impedance rating ensures compatibility with most audio systems, giving you flexibility without sacrificing sound quality. Customers consistently praise how well these speakers fill a room, whether for immersive movie nights or subtle background tunes. If you're someone who values both style and substance in your audio setup, these Pyle in-wall speakers offer a compelling balance. They're designed to extend the life of your sound system while delivering crisp highs and solid mids. The white finish blends into most walls and ceilings, keeping your space clean and uncluttered without compromising on audio performance. Worth a look if you want a straightforward upgrade that doesn't require professional installation or complicated wiring. These speakers bring a professional-grade sound experience to your home without the hassle. Try them when you're ready to enjoy rich, responsive audio that's built to last. Ready to elevate your sound? The Pyle 8-in-wall speaker system is a smart choice for anyone seeking easy installation and consistent, high-quality audio. Check them out today and see how simple it is to transform your space with sound that truly stands out.